So to get a random number between two numbers, we're gonna use a different function of the random formula. So in this case, I'm gonna type in here the equal sign, and I'm gonna type rand, but this time I'm gonna select the RANDBETWEEN formula. So I'm gonna type RANDBETWEEN, and I'm gonna open up the parentheses. So as you can see, it's asking me for a bottom and a top number. So let's say, for example, that I want to generate a random number between 0 and 25. So the bottom of that would be 0, and then I'm gonna hit a comma, and then the top of that, it's gonna be 25. So I'm gonna type 25, and I'm gonna close up the parentheses, and then I'm gonna hit enter. So now, as you can see, I generated a random number between 0 and 25. In this case, it's 22. You can press the F9 key to change this random number. And as long as you press the F9 key, you're gonna get a different number each time. And all of these numbers are gonna be randomly assigned from 0 to 25, which is the range we defined. In a different video, I'm gonna show you how to generate a random list of numbers. I hope that video was helpful. If you feel like practicing, you can download the sample file in the description. Also, don't forget to comment, to hit the red button to like and to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be motivating me to upload more tutorials for you. See you next time!